Evaluate the following. Here we have 5 times 5 minus 9. So if we select this, we have to deal with the inside parentheses first. So 5 times 5, that is 25, minus 9, that will give us 16. Next, we have here 20 divided by 2 times 5. Again, we have to deal with the inside part. So we just simply write 20, then the divide. Then, after that, 2 times 5, that is 10. 20 divided 10, that is 2. Next, we have here 15 plus 6 times 2 minus close and open parentheses 7 minus 2. Again, we just simply write 15. We have to deal with the inside part. 6 times 2, that is 12. Then the minus sign. Then 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now 15. Positive times positive 12, that is positive 12. Negative times positive 5, that will give us negative 5. Now 15 plus 12, that is 27. Minus 5. 27 minus 5, that will give us 22. Okay, that is.